Welcome to Sign with JP. I'm JP. Welcome to my classroom. Today we are learning ASL signs for vehicles, transportation, and signs relating to those. Let's get started. First is license. Do you have a driver's license or a pilot's license or whatever type of license you need? License is simple, 2 L's, tap your thumbs together. That's it, license. Motorcycle, grab those handlebars and with your right hand, technically you use your dominant hand to move. So if you're left-handed, you would just use your left hand. But motorcycle. How do you sign to park? Like park your car. Let me make a point here. The park that you go and take your kids to play is a totally different thing. We're talking about vehicles. Park. Hold your non-dominant hand out, that is the ground. And if you happen to see part 1 of this series, you'll know that this is what's called a classifier for a vehicle. And normally we would sign car, and then we would show the car moving. But when we sign park, we're just going to open our hand, that's the ground, and we're gonna take the vehicle and just tap it there. And that means park. So whether I'm driving a car, I can park it, or I can park it as well. The sign ride, we're gonna make a C hand with our non-dominant hand, okay? Now imagine your thumb is like a seat, okay? And then you're going to put yourself, boom, you see my little legs there? They're hanging over the seat, okay? So now they're in and they're on the seat. And then we're gonna move the whole thing forward. That is to ride. Now let's add this sign in as well, to get in. To get in, I'm actually gonna take those and plop them on there. And notice I started kind of upside down and plop them on. I know, it's weird, but that's how you sign to get in. You got the car and you get in. But when you get out, you don't flip upside down, you just get out. So we have get in and get out, right? And then if we're in and we move forward, now we have ride. Road or street is simple. We're just going to put 2 hands like so and push it forward. That is the road. We got the car, we got the road. Simple. Seatbelt has 2 variations, okay? And you can deal with the seatbelt that is right around here or right around here. And look what I'm doing. Just taking 2 fists and putting them together, or fists and putting them together. The other way is because one part of the seatbelt goes into the other, we're gonna use 2 fingers. So we can say click in your seatbelt or click in the seatbelt. Stop and go. Stop, hold up your non-dominant hand, palm up, and we're gonna karate chop it. That is the sign, stop. Go, 2 fingers up, and we move them forward. Go, go. You can do it with 1 hand as well. Formally, it's 2 hands. Go, stop. Subway, subway. Sure, subway. Subway, and then I'm gonna add New York in there. All right. Maybe you're somewhere where there are subways. Subways, we got the ground here and it's underground. So we're gonna make a Y hand shape and imagine it's like a train going underneath the ground with the fingertips kind of like touching. I'm in California, we don't have any subways here. Northern California, no subways. So this is a new territory for me. But that's the sign for subway. Now check this out. Where are there a lot of subways? New York. If I take this top hand and rotate it down, and I put my fingers down and move it side to side, I have the sign for New York. Subway, New York. Ooh. Train, hold out 2 fingers. These are for your train tracks. And then another 2 fingers on top of that, and we're gonna move them back and forth. I'm holding them down so you could see. Normally it's like this. All right, and this is what I imagine, like those are your train tracks, and then this is the train like kind of going over the tracks. So that is train. So you can say get in the train and ride the train. Tire or tires doesn't have a sign, it has a classifier. So first we have to sign what we are talking about. So if I sign my car, very easy to understand that when I do this, that's the tires, okay? If I have an airplane, then I have the tires. The wheels are the tires, right? If I have a chair, now I have a wheelchair, okay? So this sign doesn't necessarily mean wheels, but when we connect it to a sign, now we have tires and wheels. These next few signs are finger spelled, but I want to throw them in here so you don't have a question like, how do you sign that? First one is truck. Truck is finger spelled. T-R-U-C-K. Truck, okay? Truck. With a little bit of practice, it's very easy. In the beginning, you will be slow, but if you practice that over and over again, what happens is very common finger spelled words, you get the pattern, you get that muscle memory that you don't have to think about spelling it. That is the sign. That is how little deaf babies learn finger spelled words without learning how to spell. Yeah, so truck. There are English signs for truck. They are not ASL, so I'm not gonna show them here. Truck is here. I did mention in previous one, we have fire truck, and this is a classifier showing driving a big vehicle. But this is not a sign for truck. You need to spell truck. All right, these three. One has been around for a long time, and Uber and Lyft are fairly new, but none of them have signs as of yet. They are all spelled. Taxi, Lyft, Uber. So if those are things that you use often and you're going to be signing them, just practice them. And the same thing with truck, they will just flow right off your fingers. That wraps up today's lesson, learning about vehicles and transportation. This is part 2. If you didn't catch part 1, click the link below so you can go and watch that one as well. So great that you're here. I'm so excited that you're learning with me. Leave me a comment below so that I know what you think of this content, what you want to be seeing in the future, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm JP. Keep on signing.